So what are you making today?
Well, all this stuff hanging out. We are making meatballs. We are making cheesy, taco-y meatballs. Like an appetizer meatball. We're going to make them about that big. This should do about 24. Possibly. We'll see. Turn on the cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're going to mount it up. We're in a temperature switch. How do you keep wiping the cheese?
Guys, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Alright, so gotta put oil down. It's ground turkey. It'll stick.
You need a quarter cup of oil.
And you have to want the pan coated. There. It's coated. It looks like there's a lot, but it's literally that much oil on the bottom. Okay, now we're getting the ingredients together. I have 2 pounds of ground turkey.
That was a cup of oats.
Well, you can see this all on my website. Okay, get all that out there.
You gotta have all that cheese.
I can't leave any. Nope. That's expensive. Garlic. Eggs next.
This girl can crack eggs quick.
Wow. It's not that hard. You just get it on a flat surface. And then you get egg all over your hand. Okay. Let's see. Look, I'm getting low, y'all. Gotta go to the grocery store. But I'm pretty sure this is at least a half a teaspoon is what I need. That's what I need. Yeah, I did. Yay. Not doing that. We're going to do it this way.
This is the cumin.
Yeah, this is what gives you all the flavors. And since they made them this way again, where you put your teaspoon in. And I did it again. I have to do the salt first, because then I have cumin on that. What are aprons for?
Did that when I was making your Mother's Day recipes. And I had to wipe it off.
need 3 teaspoons of that. I got a mess all over here, y'all. Mess.
A little messy.
Yeah,
Yep.
it is messy. It's kind of OCD in here. I don't like.
Danielle's workout.
Now we're gonna mix it. Make meatballs. Now we're gonna mix this up. And here's my trick. I'm just gonna pour a little, like that much. And then you just make sure your hands are clean. Right? But it doesn't get on it. Not sticking like what the ground turkey sticks really bad to your hands, and I'm in there and it's not doing it, so.
It's all in that turkey.
You gotta mix it up. But yeah, see? I figured that out probably after many times of doing this, and it's just caked on you, and you're like, and you're trying to wipe the grease off of you, and you're just like, oil. And plus it gives it some moisture too. Okay, let's see. I think it's ready for some meatballs. Smells good. Can't taste it though, because it's raw. Alright. I'm going to be doing some meatballs. I think I'm going to... I usually do about 24 meatballs. With 2 pounds of meat. I think that's where I'm going to stick to. We're going to do that. So I'm going to do 6 across and 4 that way. And this is the long part, y'all.
How do you know what size to make them?
You just have to guesstimate. You could always add more to it, because it's really easy just to pick it up and add more to it if it needs some more. I'm not making my 6 very here. I think I'm making these a little too big, but we'll see. Yeah, sometimes you have to like grab off of some other one and then add it to the other one because you made a mistake of too many. This is about to be, you know what? I think we're making 20, y'all. We're making 20. Yeah, they're just going to be bigger. But honestly, you can make these however you want. I mean, you can make them smaller. You could probably get the even more, like the more appetizer ones, like that. But I'm sorry, that's just a tease. Where's the beef? No, this isn't beef. This is turkey.
Look at them meatballs.
Yeah, I made 20. Some are bigger, some are a little smaller. Who cares? You don't need to fret over it. But see how the oil? Look at that. Tell ya. Okay. Look at that cheese. Just spewing out of there.
Oh, yeah.
We're not done, y'all. We gotta turn them over. Look at that cheese. So. Ooh, yeah. And yeah, I don't want cheese off. I gotta cook them more, y'all. It's gonna do it.
And 5, 4, 3,
No, we don't even know because
2,
it doesn't count down like that.
1.
There we go.
And I was right.
No, you weren't.
I
You were
did.
so off on that. Okay, we're taking this out. Meatballs. Cheesy meatballs. And now I have to turn them over after they come out because they just kind of soak up all the oils down there. Yep.
We're looking good.
They're very cheesy. They want to actually stick, but they're not. They're not sticking.
So what was our total time for cooking these at 350?
45 minutes.
And you checked them at 30 minutes.
Yeah, at 30.
Guys, you could put these in anything. I'm thinking about making me up some burritos tonight.
Oh, you want a meatloaf burrito?
Yeah, a little
Or
Tex-Mex.
Kind of like when you go to, sandwich shops and you get like, meatball sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
So look at them, guys. And y'all leave comments, subscribe, and go ahead and like if you like this recipe. This is awesome.
Keep going.
Y'all stay tuned.
Okay. I don't have a teaspoon, babe.
I tried to get all the measuring cups. I'm just not good at it.
It's fine. It's over there. I got that new song in my head. The brave one. Okay.
Hold on. There, we were on widescreen.
Oh, I know that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we're not ready. That's what I feel like.
You have a good drink.
Pass this drink.
Oh, we have 2 minutes left. Why am I recording?
I don't know.
Always playing the waiting game. I'm going to have to get some
Less
drink.
than 1 minute.
I'm going to get some drink during
What's
this.
gonna happen? Pretty soon. I'm gonna start dancing, y'all. There's no music. It's gonna do it.
And 5, 4, 3,
No, we don't even know because
2,
it doesn't count down like that.
1.
There we go.
And I was right.
No, you weren't. You
I
were
did.
so off on that. Okay, we're taking this out.